All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today, we are predicting a buy in SMCI stock, especially after seeing the stock run up 13%. Now, I'm going to talk about how high we think the price is going to go next in SMCI. So welcome everyone to my channel. Before you go, hey, if you like my videos, if you like my content, man, just keep it locked here because I'm offering something to you that you're not seeing anywhere else. I'm here to give you a lead, a heads up amongst everybody else. Okay, that's what I'm here for. I'm dropping price predictions. Like, you don't see that anywhere else on this platform. I'm going to give you a bias as to where I think price is going to go, whether I'm bullish, whether I'm bearish. However the price chart looks is the way that we roll. Okay, because we like to participate with the winning team. And in this instance, it's the buyers. Hands down, the buyers are the ones controlling this stock's price. So make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content, all right? So now we did a price prediction in SMCI. See, this is what I'm talking about. If you guys want to be in the lead, we have to make sure that we are already set in position to capitalize off of price moves such as this one. The last video that we did for SMCI was right here on the 10th, maybe the 11th of February, right? And as you can tell, our thesis, our opinion, our prediction was to see the price in SMCI to go up. And look what happened. Maybe 4 or 5 days into our prediction, what did the market do? Isn't that crazy? How could we have predicted this? What do we have a magic crystal ball? No. What we do is we look at the price, bars, and volume. See, everyone else who is in this market right now for SMCI, they also have a bias. And when they come in and hit that buy or sell, it leaves a trail of breadcrumbs. And if we learn how to dissect what each price, bar, and volume means, guess what? We have an idea as to where everyone else is trying to go. We're trying to get ahead of the herd. So if you saw our video on the 10th of February, you are already sitting up pretty good in our prediction. The close of Friday right there, the 14th, 12.31% already up. Okay. So now let's see though. Maybe the market in SMCI still has legs and it's going to continue to go up, right? Well, that is true. However, look at where the price is though. Okay. Look at where the price is. This is why we have targets on our price predictions, because there's no guarantee that the market buyers would be able to push price to our next sell pocket. This pocket represents a whole bunch of people who are willing to sell SMCI stock. Okay. So now the question is, do you think the buyers have enough momentum, willpower, determination to break through that pocket of selling? Because if they do, then cool. We'll take off a little bit now and we'll leave a little bit on so we can ride it to the next target, which is the second sell pocket up there at the top of the chart. Simple, right? So the market gives us information already. We don't need to utilize technical analysis. These bars and where they're located intact with the volume already gives us an immense amount of information already. So let's look at SMCI on the 2. So here's SMCI on the 2. When you look at these bars for what it is, it's very strong. Look at that 2-day bar there. This 2-day price bar is coming off the formation of this 2-day price bar. See? They go together. And this 2-day price bar is coming from the buyers that formulated this 2-day price bar. Combine the bars. And you can clearly tell that, hey, this is a buyer's market. This is what a buyer's market looks like. Here's SMCI on the 3. Look at that on the 3. Somebody is a believer in SMCI. Now, I'm a realist. So I still need to caution you that there's a chance. Let me zoom out. Look at this. There's a chance that these people right here who are sellers in SMCI, guess what? They still might have a huge position of this stock to sell. So there's still a chance that price in SMCI won't go no higher. Like, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. There's a chance because all of these 3-day price bars right here in SMCI is when buyers was trying to break this pocket of selling. And as we can tell, they were not successful. Buyers attempted again on these two 3-day price bars and they weren't successful. But they're here a third time. Maybe third time's the charm. We'll see. Here's SMCI on the 4. SMCI on the 5. Look at that. Very good bar. These two 5-day bars is definitely bullish. It looks like the buyers finally came back to life. They have risen from the dead and now they're trying to control this stock's price. Here it is on the weekly. This volume bar. Okay, let's dissect this volume bar on the weekly. That tells you that the buyers came back to life. Volume is the lifeblood of every stock. It is. If you see a lot of volume like this one, someone is being more active. Somebody is participating more than they once were or was. All right. So that's good there too. Here's SMCI on the 2 weeks. Look at that 2-week price bar. Like, you'll be crazy to not think that this market is not bullish. Look at that on the 2 weeks. SMCI on the 3. Look at that on the 3. You rarely see a signal on our software of the market being to buy. You rarely see it on these price bars. So when you see it, you might want to pay attention. So look at that on the 3. Here it is on the 5. So yeah, I'm still bullish into the market in SMCI. I'm still looking for the price to go up. We will get rid of these pockets of buyings here. But look at that. See, when we did our last video, go back and listen to what I was saying then. We created these pockets, right? And we was like, look, if the market holds these pockets, then we know that price is going to go up. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy for somebody to come in and say that. The reason why we can say that with high confidence is because the buyers have already shown us where they were at. Okay? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when we break this down on the 5-hour chart, when we look at this on the 1-hour chart, when we look at this on the 330-minute chart, when we look at this on the 30-minute chart, the lows of these bars, okay, it resembles something. Like, we need to understand that where price stops, it stopped because there were no more people willing to sell there. And the buyers overcame the sellers. So when you look at any chart, any time frame, if you see this market stop multiple times at a certain price, that is because somebody is buying there. Somebody is not letting price crack that level. So when we did our video on, what was that, the 10th or 11th of February, I was like, look, if the market doesn't break any of these pockets, this stock is still strong. Now, the buyers didn't hold this pocket here. They didn't do that. So we could get rid of that. But look at this one. They initially held this pocket, what, 2 times? And then those sellers tried to crack those buyers on this 30-minute bar. But then those buyers said, look, I'm still here. I'm not going to let you control this stock's price. I want to control it. And that's where the bottom in the market in SMCI happened. Right here at this pocket of buying that we created. Crazy. Okay. So let's get rid of that one too. So yeah, I'm still looking for the market to go up in SMCI. Real simple, easy. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.